Good afternoon. Please stand and state your names for the record in the Sanaya Jones matter. Please step to the podium.
Chantal Tucker, Mom.
Thank you, Ms. Tucker. Please have a seat at the table.
Your Honor, good afternoon. Julie Sisson on behalf of petitioner.
Good afternoon, Ms. Sisson.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Denise Burris, Department of Human Services and petitioner.
Good afternoon, Ms. Burris.
May it please this Court, our office, the Washington County Public Defender's Office, has been assigned this matter. I am James Kincaid for this record, representing minor child lawyer guardian ad litem.
Thank you, Mr. Kincaid. This matter is before the court for a preliminary hearing. Ms. Burris, did you provide Ms. Tucker with a copy of the petition?
Yes.
All right. There are no amendments to the petition at this point, Ms. Sisson?
None that we're aware of, Your Honor. Thank you.
Yeah. Ms. Tucker, do you have a copy of the petition here with you? If not, Ms. Burris, if you could hand her another copy, or you're welcome to make one from the court's file. I don't have any extras. Ms. Tucker, the petition alleges as follows. One, said mother, Chantala Tucker, date of birth 12/23/1983, is the biological mother of, is it Sanaya? Thank you. Sanaya Jones Tucker, date of birth 5/29/2012, who was born in Washtenaw County. Count 2 alleges on or about 5/30/2012, Ms. Tucker reported that she does not know who is the father of Sanaya Jones Tucker. 3, Sanaya Jones Tucker remains at the University of Michigan Hospital because she was born at 26 weeks gestation. 4, said mother has 3 other children, Malik Tucker, date of birth 6/8/2009, Asha Tucker, date of birth 8/18/2008, and Oriana Jones, date of birth 2/5/2006. 5, said mother, Chantala Tucker, had her rights terminated to Asha Tucker in December 2008. 6, on or about 4/11/2011, Ms. Tucker's parental rights were involuntarily terminated to Malik Tucker due to substance abuse, physical neglect, and failure to protect.
Like 6 months, 6.5 months, 7 months. And his name is Malik. And she was pregnant with Malik and had him early because of the way her body is, again with the short uterus. Later they said the baby was born drug addicted, and the baby was not born drug addicted. Trudy Fortino telling me, she's a supervisor of Orchard Truth and Services, CEO person, and she's saying that my grandson was born drug addicted, and the quality insurance worker, her name is Lisa Finger, and this is at the end. I'm going to let you guys hear the end, and you're going to hear the beginning later. Okay, here we go.
Mrs. Cramer, now, why would these want to come and represent me? If my daughter was using drugs, you know it's a great possibility. You know? I'm not the doctor. I don't know anything. So okay, there really wasn't a question about whether or not he was drugs. He was. Okay. It's not a possibility. I don't know. Again, they don't discuss to me about my grandchild. Let me just say, so protective services, when they came out, they removed the child because the kid was from the baby from the hospital. That's the because at birth he tested positive for drugs. Okay. That is why he was. That's why he years. Okay, so I really would, kind of like stuff to kind of move on from now. And then I say this, I just want to say this, please. I have conversations. First, I was talking to Miss Taylor on the phone. Okay, I talked to her on the phone. Many times, I even told her, I said, Miss Taylor, I'm going to record our conversation. Even the first meeting, I told her and her supervisor, I said, I like to record the conversation because I have it on tape right now. No. I said, well, if this going to be truth and so there will be no inaccuracy, why can't we record the conversation? You can hear it. I have it. Okay? And this is my conversation with Miss Taylor. Everything. I never. If I had that in my soul and my spirit, I would have.
Okay, now here's the beginning.
I have had the opportunity to go with Deborah to the Washington Department of Human Services, where we didn't end up with no evidence from the worker who was supposed to be investigating this situation for the department, saying we was trying to find out why she could not visit her grandchildren. They didn't have nothing against her. They had something against Deborah's daughter, talking about neglect. But if you would really go into the case, they never did really investigate any neglect on the part of the daughter.
So they didn't do a proper type of assessment or whatever. And later on, my daughter asked them for like a letter about what was wrong with her child. She wanted everything in a letter. And so they gave her this letter right here. If the camera can take this picture here from Dr. Weiner. And if you from the information here, it never said that my grandson Malik Tyler Tucker was born drug addicted. This was the only medical document my daughter received from Dr. Weiner. And then the next information came from the social worker from St. Joe Hospital. Her name is Willliams Sachs. And my daughter asked her first, and she talked to Dr. Weiner, and these two people provided this information, and also these other three. And it says here, it says my daughter was not, her and her baby did not have drugs in the system when she delivered the baby. Neither one of them. So I'm going to read it. It says, attach in info relating to Chantella Tucker drug screens, both during her pregnancy and at the time of delivery, all of which were negative. Please call me if I can provide further. Thank you. Lillian Sachs. She's a social worker at St. Joseph Mercy Hospital. And then she gave us this information with the lab test from the hospital when my daughter was, when she delivered the baby before. It says negative all the way through.
All I could see on the part of the Department of Human Services and Orchard Children's Services, thank you, is that they were trying to cover their tracks of what they should have it on. But this speaks to a lot of folks' children that are being snatched and not being able to be reunified with their children because that's not in the best interest of the Department of Human Services.
Yeah, so I just want to ask, so you really knew that that baby wasn't born drug addicted?
That's what they told us at the hospital when we went there. Neither one of them. I sure don't believe it. That's exactly what they told us. Because that was one of the first questions that we had. You know, we thought of all the conditions of the baby. We go, okay, well, you know, it's related to drugs. I said, no, the baby was clean.
Wow.
I don't know where that came from.
Yes, thank you for calling.
You want to speak with Karen?
Yeah.
Okay, we have two. Which Karen?
medical records. That's for medical records.
Max is calling.
Chantel Tucker.
Shantella Tucker.
Yes.
Okay, one moment, please.
The date is September the 1st, and Chantel is asking for her rest. She put in request August the 23rd. Yes, August the 25th, she put in her request. And her records wasn't processed. Her name was processed in the computer.
Hello, this is Karen. May I help you?
Yes, I was calling to see, I came out there to fill out some papers for my medical records for my son, and they were saying that it wasn't processed.
No, it's not.
And I was wondering what was that about, like why is not my name is not in the computer?
Because my manager, Jody Swan, is dealing with this. We're not able to release records to you, and I believe she called and let you know that.
No, I never received a call.
Okay. Well, she's off until Tuesday, but I know that she'd be able to talk to you more than I could on this.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
All right, how are you?
Okay.
What's this?
This is a friend of hers. We are recording this message right now, and we want to know why is her records not being processed. That's when she's the mother of the child and she got custody, and that's against the law.
I don't know all the specifics, but like I said, if she would call back Joy Swan, I can give you the number.
Okay, and what is your name?
My name's Karen Lewandowski.
Okay, yes, because that's strange. I never heard of that. They were holding her baby's medical records as long as she got legal custody over her child. Even if she got court ordered and she got partial legal custody, there's no way they should be holding her records. That don't sound right.
I don't know the specifics. All I know is that we are not able to release the records, and Joey has been trying to reach her, and she apparently has been unable. She said that she did leave a message.
No, she didn't. Chantel, she didn't leave a message. She would have had it because this is something very important, and this is serious. So if she would have left a message, she would have had it. She have a caller ID and a cell phone.
Okay.
So, all right then.
Would you like Jody's number?
Yes.
It's 734-712.
Yes.
3533. And she will not be back until the 7th of September.
Well, is there somebody else?
Jody's the one that's dealing with it.
No, it has to be somebody else. What is her supervisor? What's the person who?
I can only talk to one person at a time.
Okay, I'm sorry. What's the number to Miss Jones' supervisor? I know somebody over her.
All right, can you hold on just a minute?
Yes. And who?
Oh, this is Denise.
Yes, yes, I want to know what is the reason why I can't get my son paperwork, the records, because my rights is not terminated with my son, and there should be no reason I can't get my records.
Who is this?
Chantel Tucker.
How do you spell your name?
CHANTELLA.
Your last name is Tucker?
Yes.
Okay. Who told you couldn't get your record?
She was saying the lady, the supervisor, Miss Jody Foster or something, she was saying.
Jody Swan? Jody Swan?
Yeah, Jody Swan, man, yes.
Okay. And you talked to her yesterday?
No, she have not called me and I have not talked to her. So I was trying to talk to you because you're her supervisor, you over her. So I want to know what's the reason I can't get my son's records, because I still have my paperwork that I have rights with my son, and there should be no reason I can't get my son's medical records.
Is your son in foster care?
Yes, but my rights is not terminated. It don't matter. I still have my rights. My rights is not terminated or nothing. I still have rights with my son.
And this is being recorded on a tape recorder right now.
I got paperwork to show I have my rights with my son. Nothing is going, my rights is not terminated. He's in foster care, but it don't matter. I still got my son, rights. I got his birth certificate, social security card, all that. And it should be no reason I can't get my son medical records.
Okay. Who else was on the phone?
My friend, me and my friend.
Who was your friend?
It don't matter. It's and I'm recording this right now, so about this conversation, because something not right. There's no reason I can't get my son medical records. My rights not terminated with my son. I see if I had a termination, but I don't have no termination with my son. They still got to go through me to sign stuff, to do stuff for my son, or for him to go to the doctors and all that. I got to sign papers still. So I just want to know why I can't get my son medical records.
Did you talk to the social workers through foster care?
I don't have to. I mean, this is what I'm saying. Who's telling y'all not to give me my medical with my son medical records?
Hold on just a second. Let me
What's the day? What's the day?
Hold on just a second.
What is the day? What is the day? Hello?
You're asking me what the date is?
Yes, what's the day?
Today is September 1st.
All right, thank you.
I'm trying to find out why you can't get the record, so just hold on for a couple more minutes.
Okay, thank you. No, she on the phone. See that?
When you came to get your child's records, whenever we're going to release records, we always look through the records to make sure that we can release them.
Mm-hmm.
And in the record, it shows that the child has been taken away and put in foster care. So at that point, we have to contact the foster care worker, and we did, and she told us that the records cannot be released.
Okay, can I know which foster care lady, what person said that? So I can call, because that's a lie. No reason I cannot give my son, my rights not even terminated, ma'am. I still got rights. They still go through me to sign papers for my son to go to the doctor. So I want to know so I can call the workers then. Who said it? Which, you let.
They'll be able to tell you.
If not, you just can't call foster care and ask them. It has to be a specific person so I can know that you just said y'all called. So I want to know, who did y'all call so I can call? Who was the person that told you that I can't get my paper, my record? I have to know that so I can call.
My understanding is when we call, that we just got a random foster care worker.
You can't do that. That's not true, because you have to, if you just listen to some random foster care worker, that's not right there, because you have a particular person that you talk to. You just can't talk to anybody in foster care. They don't even know me, so I have to know who y'all talk to. If y'all calling on my behalf about me not getting my son because what's in the computer, I need to know who y'all called.
Well, I'm not going to give out that information. You'll have to call foster care and get that information.
And, ma'am, can I get your name again?
My name is Denise Walking.
Because I need to know, too, because if you can't tell me, well, all this is being recorded. Thank you for letting me know this. At least I know foster care, but you can't tell me who you called about my son or me getting medical records of my son.
Okay, Chantel, I'm going to end this call right now.
All right, bye.